Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to switch characters in Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you will see these options from which you have to click on Battle Mode. Next, you will see building like structure there. You have to click on that, which will lead you to this page. Now click on Edit Team, and here you can edit any of the characters. Like you can change the characters from which is already chosen to the next which you want to choose. So this is how you can change character in Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.